You all have to see me the Maverick this evening. I'm excited about the Jamaican girls heading to the Olympics. That emphatic beating of 100m Weaver by new X Factor sprinter Shericka Jackson was a very revealing occurrence in the toss-up for that 200 meters gold. Truth be told, after that win by Shericka, all of a sudden, that air of invincibility around Miller Weaver is gone. For me, Shericka Jackson, out of the MVP camp, is now the favorite for that 200 meters gold in Tokyo. Still think she mistimed her run in the 200 at the Jamaica trials and lost to Shelley and Fraser Price. But with her 10.7 100-meter speed, now added to her sub-22 200 speed, added to her 400-meter strength, my money is firmly on Shericka Jackson for that gold. And another thing that is on the cards, with Shakira Richardson out of the picture, Elaine waking up from her slumber, and Shelley being Shelley. Guess what my vision in the 100? Guess what? Guess what? Let me show you. Let me show you. See that? See that? See that? See what my vision? See that? See that? Jamaica. In the 100 meter, yeah. You vision it too. Yeah, and guess what? Guess what? In the 200 too. Yeah, see that? I vision it. I vision it in the one.